In this presentation, we're going to discuss the BarOIS download procedure. Keep in mind that you cannot download the BarOIS software until your station is being registered. Only the station owner can download the BarOIS software. If you're the station owner and not a licensed inspector or repair technician, you must use your username and password created in the registration procedure. Before we begin the BarOIS software download, make sure that you've downloaded and installed the DAD drivers. These are specific to the DAD manufacturer that you purchased. They may be downloaded from the DAD manufacturer's website, or the manufacturer may have included a disk that contains the required drivers. Regardless, these must be installed before the DAD can communicate with the BarOIS software. As stated at the close of the BarOIS registration video, after successfully registering your station, you'll be taken back to the BarOIS main menu. So we're going to start there. In this video, we will select option 4, download the BarOIS software, which is at the bottom of the page. The website opens to the user login page. If you are an inspector or technician, scan your badge, and the next page requests that you enter your password. If not, select Unable to Scan and enter your username created in the registration process. Then select Submit. Next, you need to select the station for which you're downloading the software. In most cases, there will be only one station available in the pull-down menu. But if you are activating multiple stations, then you need to select the appropriate station number and then select Download. The software is now ready for installation onto the computer. You will notice that a box appears in the lower left-hand corner of the screen. Click this box and a file folder should open that contains one file named setup.exe. Double-click this file and the software will begin to install on your computer. After reading the end user agreement, check the box entitled I agree to the license terms and conditions and then select Install. A box should open that states California BarOIS Success. Select the Launch button at the bottom of the box. Now that the software is installed, you must confirm that your DAD is connected and communicating with your computer. To do so, go to the top left-hand corner of the page and select File, and then select Self-Diagnostics. At the bottom right of the screen is a box named Configure. Select this box and a pull-down menu opens. From the pull-down menu, you need to select the name of your DAD manufacturer. In this example, we will select A+. Next, refer to the DAD installation manual to determine the COM port, and then enter the DAD port as shown here, and select Continue. If this is a Drew DAD, then please leave the DAD port box empty. There is no need to enter the COM port for the Drew device. For more information on this topic, again, refer to your DAD owner's manual. Once again, return to the File menu and select Self-Diagnostics. The Self-Diagnostics window should open and quickly check the hardware ID, conduct a file check for the data dictionary and application logger, and an internet check for the BarOIS server and Google. All of these should have a green checkbox indicating that they are OK. The last box is the DAD checkbox, but before selecting this function, please double-check to ensure that your DAD is connected and powered on, which is typically indicated by lights lit on the DAD. Then select Get/Retry. The screen should now display the DAD serial and firmware numbers. If you encounter problems with connecting your DAD or other DAD issues, refer to the DAD manufacturer's user manual that should have been furnished with your equipment. It is also available on your DAD manufacturer's website. If you continue to encounter problems, contact your DAD manufacturer for assistance. If you have problems with the OIS software, then consult the OIS manual on BAR's website located at the address listed below, or contact BAR's Industry Help Desk at 866-860-8509.